Welcome to the channel and another episode in the Ford plant series that we actually thought we were kind of done with, but as we were blasting the body on this 63 Mercury Monterey, we came across a couple of areas that really made us raise some questions because it doesn't seem likely that this would have been the way it was done, but like in the other episodes we've done, we found that if we kind of put it out there, some of you are in the know. Some of you may have worked in the factory at the time. I know the numbers of people who work there is definitely going down because this was a long time ago now. But here's the example, of course. If you've been in the body work business, you guys already know about this, but this is one of the toughest paints to remove off a body. This is lacquer paint, and this particular paint is actually the original paint on our original project. And we actually reached a point blasting where we said, we'll just try to sand the rest of this off because it was just taking way too long to remove that original lacquer paint. But up here, the original paint is gone, and what this is Bondo actually, and it looks like, because I mean some of it's already been blasted away, but the remainder of this, it was a transition. You see the dark gray area here, this is original lead that they put between the two panels because this is where the seam is. But the lead finish created a little bit of a hump and an uneven area, and it seems like they put Bondo right over top of the lead to help this transition be smoother. And this Bondo went quite a ways, actually. That Bondo was brought all the way up to about here. We also found it up under here, which, of course, this was another area that was leaded between the panels, and on the bottom side you can't see. But it just doesn't seem likely in a factory production vehicle that there would be any time to be doing Bondo work, but this does seem to be consistent with buried underneath the original lacquer paint. So like we did before, we're kind of reaching out to ask you guys if you worked in the factory back in the day, which I know the numbers of people are getting a lot lower. 63 is a long time ago. But maybe you're a body guy that, 10, 20 years down the road, had to do work on these 63s, Galaxies, Montereys, all those models, Meteors, Falcons, Fairlanes. I mean, they're probably all very similar since they were all built at the Ford plants across, I guess, the world, because there was Australian cars. But we're just curious. Have you come across this before? Please let us know. And if you're interested in our Mercury project, be sure to check out some of our other videos. It's actually on its way back together, and we're hoping that in a lot of time soon there's going to be a lot more to look at. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.